Hey guys, welcome back to my kitchen, Kara's kitchen, and today we are making this a juicy meatloaf. So you want to start off with seasoning your beef. I'm just using my usual combo, garlic, onion, and some Tonys. And I'm also going to throw in some onion soup mix as well to give it some more flavor. And you want to make sure everything is well incorporated. Next, we are throwing in some oats, and again, after we add each ingredient, you just want to make sure it is well incorporated. Now we're just going to add in some milk, ketchup, eggs, and the W sauce. Now I'm just going in with about half of the diced onions I chopped up. Honestly, you can probably just use the whole thing if you want to, but I decided just to do half. Now we are going to set our meatloaf bowl to the side and start making our glaze. We're going to start off with some ketchup. Then we're going to add in our brown sugar and white vinegar. And we're going to make sure we get that all mixed up. Make sure that brown sugar is nice incorporated with that ketchup. Now we are just going to form our meatloaf. I don't have a loaf pan, but if you do, you would just use your loaf pan and add your glaze on top. But since I don't have one, I'm just going to do the free form method and just kind of mold it into what a meatloaf shape is supposed to be like. And now we're just going to take half of that glaze and put it on top. You don't want to use the whole thing because we're going to add more once it comes out of the oven. Once you get a nice coating on that meatloaf, you want to put it in the oven at 350 degrees for about 30 minutes. After those 30 minutes, you just want to take it out the oven, add the rest of your glaze, and don't forget to get those sides. Then you want to put it back in the oven for about 30 to 45 minutes. After about 30 or 40 minutes, you should have something like this. This is going to be one of the juiciest meatloaf recipes you'll ever try, trust me. With that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give me a like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video.